because I have some excellent news for Mark and House 1.
I've got a very good friend of mine. She wants to meet you.
I don't know who this person is. Is it rude for me to ask?
Kylie Minogue.
You're kidding?
No.
Two old queens would be so happy to do that.
And I will leave it to Mark to break the news to Mitch.
Scotty said there's somebody that he knows that wants to meet us.
What's that?
Kylie Minogue.
Oh, really? Yeah.
We're meeting Kylie Minogue tonight.
It was destined to happen at some stage of my life. That's so amazing. I did accept that if it meant we fell behind and could affect our room reveal, we met Kylie Minogue. How cool was that? Kylie Minogue. I feel like I know already, though.
All right then, boys, you should be so lucky. And now the word is out all over the block.
I am so upset right now. I deserve to be there.
Are you going to wear gold hop hat?
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
That is so amazing.
I don't look too gay, do I? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Hello.
Wait a second. I don't know. We're all just going.
Hello, darling.
You guys are turned out. I feel underdressed. I'm gonna go. I'm changing.
And if you're wondering how these two managed to snag a few minutes with Kylie, well, I'll let you in on a little secret.
My uncle is a cameraman on your beautiful show, so he'll have to report back to me.
And Uncle Noel isn't the only one on the block Kylie has a hand on her heart for.
I wish you guys all the best and everyone else at the block. Carry on doing a great job. And whenever I move back to Australia, I'll be hitting one of you guys up.
Kylie, you should be so lucky.
If we lose the room reveal this week, I don't care.
I didn't say that.
Interesting. Then you probably don't care that Matt is currently wandering around your
Ooh, fancy.
master bedroom.
Where the hell's the bloody robe? Interesting. Interesting.